So today we will be covering 3 design patterns. First one is builder. Second one will be adapter. Third one will be decorator. Okay, so today we will be covering these 3 design patterns. Okay, first one, builder pattern. What is the definition? It says to construct a complex object step by step by separating the construction logic from its representation. Okay, so basically we will be separating the construction logic from its representation. Okay, so representation will be separated from what? The construction logic. Okay, construction logic. Okay, so where you will be using this? We can use where projects with the many optional parameters, right? So where there will be many optional parameters in the object. Okay, we will see the example. Construction involves multiple steps or the configurations. Same, many parameters will be there, so multiple steps or configurations will be there. Want to avoid constructor telescoping. Okay, so let's take the example of ordering a custom burger at a restaurant. Okay, we are ordering a custom burger at a restaurant. Now let's see this structure. Product is burger, right? Product is burger. Now this will be having the representation, right? Representation, and we will be having a builder, different builder, which will be building, or we can say constructing the burger or building. Okay, building the burger, right? After that we will be having one concrete builder, let's say for veg burger, for the non-veg burger. Okay, we will be having 2 concrete builders. Okay, and at the last we will be having director, that is the main function, we can say. Okay, so we are having the separate representation and the constructing or the building logic, right? So this is how we will be calling in the main function. We will be having this burger builder, and within that we will be adding the cheese, we will be adding this lettuce, we will be adding this chicken and building it, right? So product will be there, product. After that builder will be there, builder, okay, which will be building the burger, the products basically. Okay, then some concrete burgers, or we can say builders, will be there. Let's say non-veg and veg and non-veg, right? After that director will be there, from where we will be calling this, we will be ordering the burger, basically burger director. Understood the phases? Yes or no? Basically we will be having the separate representation, separate builder. So let's see the example. This is the example. This is a representation for the burger. Let's say we are having the bun, we are having the patty, we are having the cheese, lettuce, chicken. This is the representation of the burger, right? Now we are not constructing in the same class. Okay, we will be having a different builder class where we will be adding these products, let's say, or we can say the items. We will be adding bun, we will be adding patty, we will be adding cheese, lettuce, chicken accordingly, right? According to the need, right? So this is the representation, and here is the builder. We are adding the things step by step, right? So both the logics are different. That's it. That is the definition of the builder pattern. Okay, we will be having the product, the builder to build the product. Okay, we are not building in the same thing, in the same class. After that some concrete builder will be there. We will check the example, and director, from where we are calling the we are giving the order. Okay, so this was the, we can say, the flow. Okay, so let's see the code. We will be having the product burger. This is the product being built, right? So contains many optional attributes, let's say bun, patty, cheese, lettuce, sauces, right? Now these are the optional, right? These are optional. So in some burger they may ask you to add cheese, they may ask you to add sauces, but these are optionals, right? We can add, we can't add. Okay, so basically these are the optional attributes, right? After that, may have the private constructor, the final complete object that gets returned by the builder. Okay, so let's see the class burger. We are having the class, we are having the different optional what attributes, right? Attributes. So bun is there, patty is there, cheese, lettuce, chicken. So these are the attributes. Within these, some are optional, let's say cheese, patty, okay, the lettuce, chicken is optional. Now in the private constructor, what we are doing, we are just we are passing the builder. Okay, builder. Let's see the builder first. What is this builder? See, we are passing the builder, and we are passing, we are basically setting the values of this bun, patty, cheese, right, in the constructor. So we are calling this constructor from where? From the main function and passing the builder. Okay, let's see this builder class first. So within the builder, what is this? This is an abstract interface, abstract or the interface, optional. This is the static inner class. Okay, within this burger only we will be having a static class inside this, right? So this is the static class inside the burger only, right? So burger builder, right, that contains the method for setting the parts of the product, has setter like methods for each part, return itself this for the method chaining, so and has a build method to return the final object. Okay, so what we are having in this burger builder, we are having bun, same attributes as we are having in the burger class, right? So same attributes. So currently what we are doing, we are having the product burger. Inside this some attributes are there, right? Attributes are there, and inside this there will be one static class, that is builder. Okay, builder. Within this again we are having same attributes. Now what are we doing here? See, we are having the different functions, right? For the bun we are having, for the patty we are having, for the cheese, add lettuce, add chicken, right? And what we are doing, we are passing the bun, string bun, right? And we are setting this, basically these two are required for a burger, bun and patty is required. Okay, so let's see this. Add cheese, what we are doing, we are doing what? See, this cheese is a type boolean, right? We are saying this cheese equal to true, that means we are adding it, right? In the builder function, what we will say, we will add the required attributes or the items, right? Items. So for the same we are doing this, we are having the methods and we are setting the values. So we are saying add cheese, so we are making this cheese true and returning this. Okay, returning this. Same with this, add lettuce, add chicken, right? We are making this true and returning, right? So where we are returning, where we are calling this burger builder, in the main method. Let's see this. We will come to this afterwards. This is basically the concrete methods. In the same builder class we will be having, after this basically we will be having what? Some concrete builder classes, and inside this what will happen? Let's say we are having veg burger, So there will be specified items that is required. Okay, so we will simply add them and return it. Okay, so there is no need to add cheese, add lettuce separately. Okay, we will add them in the same class for the veg, for the non-veg. Okay, so we will come to this afterwards. First check this director class. So what we are doing here, see, we are having this burger director. This is the veg burger, this is the chicken burger. Okay, where is the custom burger? Here is the custom burger. Okay, what we are doing, we are taking the reference of burger, the product. Okay, product. After that we are calling this burger dot, let me write it, burger custom burger equal to new burger builder dot builder burger. Okay, burger, right? So this was the static inner class of the burger, static inner class, right? So we can call it like this. So we are making the object of this inner class, right? Builder burger. After that what we are doing, we are adding this bun. Okay, we are adding dot bun, the string whole wheat. Okay, the patty we will add, and after that we are saying add cheese, right? Add cheese, and what else? We are saying add chicken. Okay, add chicken, and at the last build it, right? So we are adding cheese, we are adding chicken, after that we are building this. Got it? This is the logic in the main method for building the custom burger. Now let's move to this burger builder. So when we create the object of this, right, after that creating what we are saying, put the value for this bun, the string value was there. Okay, the patty value is there, string value, right? So we are calling this bun, we are calling this patty, after that we are calling add cheese, right? So what this will do, it will make this cheese equal to true and return this. Okay, we will make this cheese equal to true. After that add chicken, we are making this chicken true, and return it. We are not making this lettuce, right? After that at the end what we are doing, dot build, right? Dot build. So it will return the new burger with this reference, with current reference. Okay, in the burger what is happening, it will call this private constructor now, private constructor. Okay, and it will pass the values for the bun, for the patty, for the cheese, for the chicken. Lettuce is not there, right? So we will get this output, right? Understood? Let me show you the flow. Okay, so we are having the product, right? After that inside this we are having what, product name is burger. We are having some attributes are there, right? And private constructor is there, private constructor, right? After that what we are having, we are having toString that we will return. Okay, toString. So these are the things we are having in the product. After this we are having one inner class that is builder, right? Builder. So inside this what we are having, we are having the same attributes, right? And we are having the functions, methods to set attributes, to set required attributes like add cheese, add chicken, right? Attributes. Okay, and we are having the main class, the director class. Inside this what we are doing, we are making the object of this, right? And calling the functions. Let's say burger equal to new this burger and this inner class dot builder, right? Builder, and then we are calling the required things. So the bun will be required, this is obvious. The patty will be required. Okay, the patty will be required, and we are saying add cheese, add cheese, add chicken, right? So what it will do, it will go to this builder class, right? This builder class, it will call these methods to set the required attributes. So we will be having the attributes, we will be having this cheese equal to true, right? Cheese equal to true, this chicken equal to true, right? After that, we are having one build function also, build, right? At the end, call this build. So it will call the build function, which will call the this private constructor, okay, with the this reference, with the current reference, right? With the current values. Got it? So again, it will set the values in this attributes, and in the toString we will be returning the string with the required attributes. Okay, with the required attributes. So now what was the definition? Definition was to construct a complex object step by step by separating the construction logic from its representation, right? So we should have the separation between the construction as well as the representation. So that's what we are doing here, right? We are having the separate logic for the construction. That's why we are having the different methods for adding cheese, for adding chicken, to set the values for the chicken, for the cheese, right? If you see here, we are having this method, let's say add cheese. In this, what we are doing, we are just making this value cheese as true. That means this is required, right? This is kind of setter method, right? This is kind of setter method. So that's it. This is the logic for this builder design pattern. Okay, design pattern, right? This is the simple flow. Now there was some concrete methods for this builder, right? In this we will be having veg and non-veg. In the same methods, we will decide which parameters will be there. Which parameters will be there? Okay, which parameters will be there? So no need to call the functions, right? No need to call the functions. No need to call the functions. To call the methods, right? Methods to add item. These are concrete methods to add items. Let's see this concrete methods. Here is the concrete method for veg and non-veg. So for the veg, what we are saying, set default veg patty and no chicken, right? So this is the class for veg burger, that is extending the same class, right? The burger builder, this is the basically child, the concrete method of this burger builder, right? After that, in this method, what we are doing, we are setting the patty, we are setting the bun. This is the basic veg builder, veg burger builder. Okay, basic veg burger. In the main function, what we are doing, we are calling this create veg burger. Okay, create veg burger. So in this we have what, already set the bun that will be whole wheat, and the patty as veg, right? And additional thing, we can add it here, add cheese, add lettuce, and build, right? So here we can write, so no need to call the basic methods. So for the veg, it will be like veg patty should be there. For the non-veg, it should be like chicken should be there. Okay, chicken should be there in the non-veg. So we will add them in the concrete methods. And additionally can add cheese and other required items. So here we defined the patty should be veg, the bun should be whole wheat. This is the basic veg burger. Additionally, you can add cheese, right? And this is the chicken burger. We are setting the patty chicken, we are setting the bun wheat, and we are adding the chicken here. Okay, this is the chicken version, chicken burger. In the main class, you can add cheese and build it. And you can also see this flow. We are having the product in which we are having the different attributes. Some will be optional, these will be optional, this will be required. Okay, so this will be the boolean type because these are optional. Okay, after that this burger builder will be there, which will be using this burger product. Okay, this can be like the inner class of this burger. Inside this again we are having the same attributes, and we are setting the values. For this. Okay, these are optional, boolean type, and these are string. So we are setting the values here. After that we are calling the private constructor from where? From build method, right? After adding all the things, we will be calling this build method. Okay, it will go here and set the values, and from here we will get the details. This is the client method, the main method, from where we will be placing the order. So let's move to the second one. These are the summary, okay, and some usage, when to use when we are having many fields. We already seen this part, right? And these are the benefits. So you can check them in the notes provided in the description.